Well, it's time for another YouTuber Q&A. This question comes in from Frustrated Frank. Frustrated Frank has this to say. He says, "What's one thing you wish you knew before starting YouTube that if you could tell yourself when you were starting, it would save you a lot of frustration?" Thank you for the question, Frustrated Frank. I understand why you want to know this. You want to eliminate frustration. Let me show you something, Frustrated Frank. So, I had a video completed and I could not even export it from my editor. I have to clear off my hard drive yet again. So, I'm transferring a bunch of files from my internal hard drive to my external hard drive. And I promised my audience a video every single day in August, and it's getting later in the day. So, I'm just going to record a new video. That's one of the things, Frustrated Frank, that you'll find can get frustrating. Your hard drive is full because you keep running out of storage. So you need to make sure you're always ready to have an external hard drive ready to get that storage off of your internal hard drive. And if you fill that thing up, uh, that's the reason for the issue. I thought it was something going on with why it wouldn't export. It's just iMovie that I use. And I was like, I'm going to have to reboot. Oh, it's storage. I don't have enough storage. That's what's going on. That's one thing you want to know ahead of time, Frustrated Frank. You'll get really frustrated if that happens to you a lot. So just keep that hard drive clean and you'll be in good shape. Welcome to Get the Word Out. My name's Adam Markley. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I've got a new video coming to you every day in August. And I'll see you next time.